And we're here at the Tascam stand ISE 2024, and I am with my good friend
Dirk.
Hello, Dirk.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to see you again.
Yes.
What's new at Tascam?
Oh, this year, as we're on an installation show, we have two interesting new installation product and a new pair of headphones. But let's start with the installation stuff. We have a new amplifier with built-in Bluetooth receiver, microphone input, and two line inputs. So for a small installation like in a shop or in a bar, that's all you need. Because the people typically now have their mobile phone with all the music on it, playing back. We have Bluetooth. Just go in there, we have Bluetooth. It has 240 watt, either on low resistant, so 4 ohm or 8 ohm, with 2 times 120 in this case, or you have the 240 on 70 volt or 100 volt technology for installation purposes.
And what about, I've seen you've got a Blu Ray player.
Yeah, we got a new follow-up of our former BD-MP1. It's now the BD-MP1 Mark II. What else? Surprise. So, yeah, it got all the functionality you need in a professional installation or in a theater or movie theater style, in a small movie theater. It's a standard resolution, high-res Blu-ray player. You can hide all the menus on the screen, so if you press stop, you don't see that horrible pause sign. So you can have a stand picture if you do some explanations during the presentation. You can simply stop it and show, oh yeah, here's this and that, and you don't have any signs on the screen. You don't have any startup screen, so even that's covered, so no one knows that you are using the Tascam screen, although maybe we should disable that again. It's important that people know that you are using our quality products, but no, you can hide that if it's because it disturbs your presentation typically, all those information. You can stop all these, you can start them automatically, and yeah, it not only plays Blu-ray discs, it plays as well from SD, from USB, flash memory. So
I can see these being used in all kinds of scenarios, in houses of worship or any in civil wedding places and things like that.
yeah, for example, or even for signage. So if you have a video wall and just need to have a video played back and don't want to use a computer for that, just put that unit with an SD card and have it playing back the stuff. You can do programmed playing and all the stuff you can do on every Blu-ray player, so a nice combination for that.
Well, tell me about the roadmap. What's ahead for Tascam, do you know?
Ooh, there will be a lot of more stuff, especially in the Dante mixing consoles area. We want to push more our mobile recorders. So we just started with the 30-bit floating point recorders, and of course there will be more in the future.
And what about the streaming stuff? Because we're very successful with some of that streaming stuff. Is there any, maybe some intention of moving on to some of the other protocols like NDI or even Dante video?
We are at the moment looking, but we need to say we are an audio company. So it's always hard for an audio company to start video products, except of the Blu-ray players, because they have always been some kind of located to your audio equipment. So Blu-ray players, DVD players is easy for us, but the other markets it's hard to establish, and there are other brands who are there for years. So we will try to find our niche in that market, but have in mind that audio and video gets distributed over the same network, so we need to find our way in that area.
I think streaming is the middle ground, isn't it?
Yes.
That might be, because you came out with some of those early streaming products now that very, very, very intuitive, lots of functionality, good low price. A lot of early adopters for streaming were able to utilize it. I think that might be an avenue to kind of look into.
Yeah, for example. But I think we step out of or we will not focus on the video, we will more take care of getting audio in and out and link to video streams instead of trying to create a video stream on our side.
Is there anything else you want to show us?
I can show you our new fancy headphones.
Oh, yes, please.
This time we made it finally and got the red circle like you have it on our portable recorders and on the side panels of our USB interfaces. So we brought our Tascam Red to the headphone, and it's a nice standard studio headphone. Lightweight, you can fold it, and you can take it with you. Sounds nice.
And I have to thank you. We've broken 2 microphones today, and you've kindly lent us this wonderful mic. Tell us about this wonderful.
Okay, that's the Tascam TM200 SG shotgun microphone, specially for videographers. So instead of having it in the hand, you typically mount it on top of your camera or on top of our microphone preamp for the Canon cameras. But that's
Well, for today, it's on top of me.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Dirk. Take care. Likewise.
Hope to see you in Frankfurt.
Yeah, I'll see you in Frankfurt.
Surely.
Take care. See you later.